Lesson 15. When I do, when I have done, if and when. 1. Present simple after when for the future. We use the present simple after when, before, after, while, until, as soon as when talking about the future. Even if the meaning is future, we do not use will after these words. Examples: I'll call you again later when I arrive, or I'll go out when it stops raining. 2. Present perfect for a completed action first. We use the present perfect have done after when, after, until, as soon as to show that one action will be completed before another future action happens. Examples: Can I have the newspaper when you've finished with it? Or when I phone Kate, we can go out. 3. Comparison: when I do versus when I've done. To understand the difference, think about timing. When I do, two actions happen together or one immediately follows the other. When I phone Kate, I'll ask her about the party. When I've done, first one action is completed, then the second happens. When I phone Kate, we can go out. 4. Difference between if and when. We use if for things that may happen, possible situations, and when for things that are certain to happen. Examples: If it is raining this evening, I won't go out. Maybe. Or when I go out, I'll get some bread. Definitely happening. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!